Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Daily sentences with Indonesia meaning.
1. What time is it now?
What time is it now?
Pukul berapakah sekarang?
It is 10:30 a.m.
It is 10:30 a.m.
Sekarang pukul 10.30 pagi.
Excuse me, may I know your name?
Excuse me, may I know your name?
Boleh saya tahu namamu?
I am Richard.
Nama saya Richard.
Where do you live? Where do you live?
Di mana kamu tinggal?
I live in London.
I live in London.
Saya tinggal di London.
What's your favorite subject?
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
Eva pelajaran kisah kamu. Eva pelajaran kisah kamu. Eva pelajaran kisah kamu. Eva pelajaran kisah kamu.
I like sports subject.
I like sports subject.
Saya suka pelajaran olahraga.
I like ice cream and bread.
I like ice cream and bread.
Saya suka es krim dan roti.
How old are you?
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
Berapa umurmu?
I am sorry to hear that.
I am sorry to hear that.
Saya turut bersedih mendengar hal itu.
If you want this cake, just say it.
If you want this cake, just say it.
Jika kamu mau kue ini, katakan saja ya.
In my opinion, the best place for holiday is Seriator for this year.
In my opinion, the best place for holiday is Seriator for this year.
Menurut saya, tempat yang bagus untuk liburan tahun ini adalah di Sariater.
Do you like playing football?
Do you like playing football?
Apakah kamu suka main sepak bola?
What's your planning for this weekend?
What's your planning for this weekend?
Apa rencanamu untuk akhir pekan ini?
I will study abroad when we have long holiday school.
I will study abroad when we have long holiday school.
Saya akan belajar ke luar negeri saat sekolah libur panjang.
Do you apply a scholarship?
Do you apply a scholarship?
Yes, I am. I got the information from the internet.
I like the way you study.
I like the way you study.
Saya suka caramu belajar.
How much is this trouser?
How much is this trouser?
Berapa harga celana panjang ini?
It is $12.
It is $12.
Harganya $12.
How do you do this homework?
How do you do this homework?
Bagaimana kamu mengerjakan PR ini?
I ask my father.
I ask my father.
Saya bertanya kepada ayah saya.
I also ask to my mother.
I also ask to my mother.
Saya juga bertanya kepada ibu saya.
How many days in a week?
How many days in a week?
Ada berapa hari dalam satu minggu?
There are 7 days in a week. Sunday away, Monday away, Tuesday away, Wednesday away, Thursday away, Friday away, Saturday,
Dalam satu minggu ada 7 hari. Ahad, Senin, Selasa, Rabu, Kamis, Jumat, dan Sabtu.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Apa makanan kesukaanmu?
What's your favorite drink?
What's your favorite drink?
Apa minuman kesukaanmu?
Do you like traveling?
Do you like traveling?
Apakah kamu suka bepergian?
Which one do you like between traveling to beach or mountain?
Which one do you like between traveling to beach or mountain?
Tempat mana yang kamu lebih sukai? Di antara pergi ke pantai atau ke pegunungan?
I prefer going to beach because I can play sand with my daughter.
I prefer going to beach because I can play sand with my daughter.
Saya lebih suka pergi ke pantai. Karena saya bisa bermain pasir. Bersama anak perempuan saya.
How to make pizza?
How to make pizza?
Bagaimana caranya membuat pizza?
Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee?
Apakah kamu suka kopi?
Do you like blue color?
Do you like blue color?
Apakah kamu suka warna biru?
Tell me about your daily activities. The restaurant is open daily except Sunday. Take 3 pills daily after meals. The museum is open daily throughout the year. I'm fed up with my daily routine.
Tell me about your daily activities. The restaurant is open daily except Sunday. Take 3 pills daily after meals. The museum is open daily throughout the year. I'm fed up with my daily routine.
That's too bad. That's so sad. I'm sorry. What bad luck. I hope things get better soon. It would be okay soon.
That's too bad. That's so sad. I'm sorry. What bad luck. I hope things get better soon. It would be okay soon.
If I were you, I would buy a new house.
If I were you, I would buy a new house.
Jika saya jadi kamu, saya akan beli rumah baru.
Do you know where is the mosque?
Do you know where is the mosque?
Apakah kamu tahu di mana masjid?
Will you come to Anne's wedding party?
Will you come to Anne's wedding party?
Akankah kamu datang ke acara pernikahan Anne?
Before we start anything, we must pray.
Before we start anything, we must pray.
Sebelum memulai sesuatu, kita harus berdoa.
What is the best news for today?
What is the best news for today?
Apa berita terbaik di hari ini?
What's your dream?
What's your dream?
Apa cita-cita kamu?
I want to be a best bussiness woman.
I want to be a best bussiness woman.
Saya ingin menjadi wanita pebisnis terbaik.
I want to be a best writer.
I want to be a best writer.
Saya ingin jadi penulis terbaik.
I want to build a school for every child.
I want to build a school for every child.
Saya ingin mendirikan sekolah untuk setiap anak.
I mean, the school is free for children who don't have parents.
I mean, the school is free for children who don't have parents.
Maksud saya, sekolah tersebut gratis untuk anak-anak yang tidak ada orang tuanya.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Don't be a nosy. Don't be a nosy. Don't be a nosy. Don't be a nosy.
Don't be noisy.
Jangan berisik.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
like Indomie.
I like Indomie.
Saya suka Indomie.
I like soto Betawi.
I like soto Betawi.
Saya suka soto Betawi.
What's your opinion about this news?
What's your opinion about this news?
Apa pendapatmu tentang berita ini?
What's your opinion about going to jungle?
What's your opinion about going to jungle?
Apa pendapatmu tentang rencana pergi ke hutan?
It will be challenging.
It will be challenging.
Hal itu akan menantang.
It will be a new experience for me.
It will be a new experience for me.
Hal itu akan menjadi pengalaman baru saya.
When will the store be opened?
When will the store be opened?
Kapan toko akan dibuka?
When will the store be closed?
When will the store be closed?
Kapan toko akan ditutup?
Write what you want to write.
Write what you want to write.
Write with an improved hand. What would you like to have? Forget it. Who will cooperate with you? It was nice to talk with you. Can you please repeat that?
Write with an improved hand. What would you like to have? Forget it. Who will cooperate with you? It was nice to talk with you. Can you please repeat that?
Go down. It doesn't matter. Plucking flowers is prohibited. We both like each other.
Go down. It doesn't matter. Plucking flowers is prohibited. We both like each other.
Please come as soon as possible.
Please come as soon as possible.
Tolong datang secepat mungkin ya.
Close the door, please.
Close the door, please.
Tolong tutup pintunya ya.
Open the door, please.
Open the door, please.
Tolong buka pintunya ya.
Open the window, please.
Open the window, please.
Tolong buka jendelanya ya.
Wash your hand before eating.
Wash your hand before eating.
Cucilah tanganmu sebelum makan.
Step carefully.
Step carefully.
Hati-hati melangkah.
Don't make a conversation here.
Don't make a conversation here.
Jangan mengobrol di sini ya.
Read your book.
Read your book.
Bacalah bukumu.
Thanks for listening here. Thanks for listening here. Thanks for listening here. Thanks for listening here.
Please subscribe and share this video. Please subscribe and share this video.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.